Hey home cooks, looking for a quick budget-friendly dinner idea that's bursting with flavor? Today I'm whipping up some delicious Korean ground beef bowls. Trust me, this dish is a game changer for weeknights. Alright, let's dive right in. First, you'll need 1 pound of ground beef. Heat up a tablespoon of sesame oil in a skillet over medium heat. Toss in 3 minced garlic cloves and sauté for about 30 seconds, just until it's nice and fragrant. Now, add your ground beef and cook it until it's browned, breaking it into small pieces as it cooks. While that's going, let's make the sauce. In a small bowl, mix together a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and if you're feeling fancy, a teaspoon of grated ginger. Pour that savory sweet sauce over the cooked beef and let it simmer for 2-3 minutes until the beef is well coated and the sauce thickens a bit. Yum! Time to assemble. Start with a base of cooked rice, white or brown, your choice. Add a generous scoop of that delicious ground beef. Now for the veggies. I love using shredded carrots and steamed broccoli or spinach. Feel free to use whatever you have on hand. Cucumbers, zucchini, even kimchi work great. For a protein boost, you can top it with a fried or soft-boiled egg. Finish it off with a sprinkle of sesame seeds and some sliced green onions. And there you have it. Quick, easy, and budget-friendly Korean ground beef bowls. Perfect for any busy weeknight. Don't forget to add a drizzle of gochujang or sriracha if you like it spicy. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.